Hello, my dear children. I'm Geeta Bardeva, Faculty of English from Delhi City School, Bibinagar, UP. And today we are going to start with this new chapter, Wonderful Waste, and which this chapter is from Unit 1. And before that, I'm going to take you through the process of how we are going to learn today. First, I'm going to read out the chapter for you so that you understand the pronunciation of each difficult words as well as how to read this chapter at home. And then I'm going to explain you this chapter, and then lastly, I'm going to explain you the meaning of each word, and then I'm going to send you the question answer of the same chapter so that you can do it at home. So let's start. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." "You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them," the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he grounded some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in the traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. See, students, whatever dish you eat has its own story. So today we are going to learn about the story behind the dish Avial. This way we will also learn about how to create best out of waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore is in Kerala, ordered a grand feast in his palace. Now, feast is dawat, okay? Now, and palace is a mahal, okay, where king and queen lives. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja himself went to the kitchen to do the survey of the kitchen. Now, survey means examining something, observing something, looking carefully at something. Okay. He found a basket full of vegetable scraps. Now, vegetable scraps are the waste that comes out from the vegetable. That is vegetable sabzi ka chilka. Okay. After being asked to the cook, the Maharaja means the cook was being asked by the Maharaja. Okay, so after being asked by the Maharaja, the cook told him that he was going to throw away all the vegetable scraps. After which, the Maharaja asked the cook to use all the vegetable scraps and not waste them. Obviously, the cook was confused. Then, after some time, he found a way to use those scraps after thinking a lot of time. Right now, he washed the vegetable scraps properly and then he cut them into long stripes, and then he put them into a huge pot and started cooking. Now, while the scraps was being cooked, he took fresh coconut, garlic, and green chilies and grind them together. Grinding means pisna. Okay. Then he added this paste and some salt into the pot. Then there was very tempting smell. Tempting means attracting. Okay. That started coming from the pot. Then he put some whipped curd. Now, whipped curd means when you whip something, you